Hello, students. Happy Monday and welcome to online learning. So every day in biology class, you're going to start here in Schoology. Everything you need will be right in this spot. If we happen to be meeting in a online class, then you'll click over here on the conferences section. Otherwise, you're going to click here where it says evolution. Click here for online learning. You'll notice in here you've got some daily slides. You're definitely going to follow along with those. And you also have a whole folder of what we'll be doing this week. Notice there's sort of two things. There's assignments you'll have each day, and then there's also daily discussions. Your answers to those are what I'm going to be using for attendance. So with that, the beginning of every week, I like to do a little video just sort of overviewing what it is that we're going to cover. So here is week number 1. First, I like an overview like this. This week, you're mostly going to be playing with lizards and their evolution. We're going to be doing 4 parts of an online lab, and then Friday is going to be all about wrapping up March Mammal Madness. It's going to be great. So here's Monday. Monday, you're going to be answering this question of how morphological characteristics of lizards can be used to explore evolution, but I also want you thinking a little bit about online learning in general. So to be honest, it's going to be kind of weird. Biology is not a great class to do online, but we're going to make the most of it. And in order to do that, I really need you to ask questions and reach out whenever you need help. Please remember, we're still a community, even though we're physically separated. Send me emails. We can definitely set up any meetings we need to make the most of this learning time. Here's some things you'll need to know for our online class. These daily slides are going to outline your task each day. Everything you need will be found in Schoology. You have to be sure to add a comment to daily discussions by 4 p.m. because those will be used for attendance. Schoology conferences is what we'll use for our whole class video instruction. Please send me an email if you need any help at all, and definitely come and see me other times outside of when we're just scheduled to meet. These are the times we will officially be meeting. 4th period, I'll be meeting with you on Tuesday, and 7th period, I'll be meeting with you on Thursday. So here we are, Monday. So in order to get your head around this lab that we're going to do, you're going to start by watching this video. It's about 18 minutes, but I think it's really interesting just about these lizards and how they can be used to explore evolution. Then you're going to read a whole bunch of sort of details that you're going to get from the lab. These are in Schoology, so they'll be a little bit bigger. Then you're going to go into the lab. In Schoology, there's a document that you'll be answering questions on, but the lab here will be where you're able to do most of your work. So when you get there, it will look just like this, and you'll have all of these different modules up here at the top. Module 1 is by far the longest, so do not feel like you need to finish all of Module 1 on Monday. Just by Thursday, it would be great to have all 4 modules done. When you go through each one, the big things you'll need to know to use this are over on the side. There's going to be tutorials and calculations. Definitely watch these because they say a little bit about how to do some measurements and how to do some calculations, how to create some graphs. Every time it says using Excel, you can still get information from that, but we're going to be using Sheets instead. Other than that, you just work through this by clicking continue, reading the information that's there, and doing the different things that it asks you to do. And hopefully, by doing that, we'll be able to make sense out of the idea of evolution. So that's Monday. This will be Tuesday. You will be working on the 2nd module in the lab. It's all about DNA. On Wednesday, you'll be doing the 3rd module, which is all about this experiment used to figure out adaptations. And then on Thursday, you'll be doing the 4th module and turning in your document. This one is all about the color of their dewlap. Then we're on Friday. Friday, we're going to have a little bit of an adventure into March Mammal Madness because it will be done by this Friday, and so we'll know who the winners are. In order to go through Friday, I just want you to read all of the summaries for the battles if you haven't yet, and then add in a comment to the March Mammal Madness discussion. You will add to 2 discussions on Friday, both your daily one used for attendance, but then also your overall one used for March Mammal Madness. Students, if you have any questions at all, please, please, please reach out. I hope you have a wonderful week.